Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your Xbox profile, sign in on the console or via Xbox. Using the gamer tag and associated email. Once done, unlock your phone and install Roblox if it's not already installed, then sign into the Roblox account you plan to link. Make sure two-step verification is enabled on Xbox so account changes require your approval. This prevents accidental or malicious linking. While you do these steps, keep your phone and the Xbox within reach so you can move quickly to the next steps. Now on your phone, open the Roblox app and go to Settings, then Account or Connections. Different app versions label this slightly differently. Select Xbox from the list of platforms to link and carefully read the permission screen. You are authorizing Roblox to recognize your gamer tag. Confirm the gamer tag shown matches your Xbox account. After tapping Authorize, watch for an email or a code prompt from Microsoft. This is part of the security handoff. Enter any code, exactly as shown to complete the authorization step, before moving to verification. Finish by verifying the connection inside Roblox under Account or Connections. If Xbox appears as linked, you're done and can join crossplay games. If the link failed, sign out of both apps and try the process again. Clearing the Roblox app cache or using the browser version often resolves stuck states. Also make sure both accounts use matching emails where required, check two-step verification prompts, and disable VPNs or aggressive ad blockers that can block authentication traffic. If problems persist, restart.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.